Hey, Mike here, michaelpitluck.com, and in this video, I'm going to be setting up a product on my website, and I'm going to have to connect that to Kajabi and ConvertKit. And so the pathway is basically like this. Here on my website, there's a courses tab. We are now on the courses tab and the page, I guess. And what I want to do is I need to connect, make sure that this works. Okay, I just built this. I spent the last couple hours making sure that all these tracks work, building the checkout pages, connecting them with ConvertKit. So what I want to do is do that process for this final product here, Kick Drum Mastery. Okay, so this might be a little bit of a messy video because I'm doing this in real time. So first thing that I need to do is, well, I absolutely need to get the links here. And so right now I don't have a sales page for this, so I don't really care. I'm just going to build a checkout because if someone is really interested, I want to give them the option to buy if they are really interested at this point. And later on, I'll build a sales page so that I can give people more information about the product. But for now, I'm just going to link this right to a checkout. I can add some information in the checkout, and I will, but let's get that going. Okay, so first thing in Kajabi here, what I need to do is create an offer. And so over here, I need to just create an offer. And the title of the offer is going to be Kick Drum Mastery. Kick Drum Mastery. All right, and what is the product? The product is Kick Drum Mastery. And how much am I going to charge for this? $29. So we'll go ahead and save that. And we're going to edit the price, and I'm going to make it Stripe only. There we go. And we need to select a offer image here. So I'll select a recent file and hopefully it pops up. Come on. Okay, I guess not. So what I need to do is come over here is we're gonna open link here. Okay, just wanted to see how big it was and save image as, and we'll go to pictures, Kick Drum Mastery. Cool. Okay, so we got the image. Let's go ahead and upload a new file. I really wish that Kajabi would let you access all of your photos, but they only let you access recent ones. I've put a note in their feedback section on their website, but they have not got around to fixing that. So if you use Kajabi and you're watching this, go in there and ask for them to do that as well. So we'll drop this right into here. Kick Drum Mastery, save. It would make it way easier so you don't have to upload new video or photos and videos. Like there's a problem here with videos too, because you'll have to upload new videos even though they're already hosting videos that you want to upload. Again, it's kind of crazy, but you know, there's pluses and minuses to everything. So, okay. So we have the price. Okay, that means we have a link. We have the little image here. And what else do we need to do? All right, so one thing we need to do is we need to send the member to a third-party email provider. And so that's going to be ConvertKit. But what I need to do is I need to create a form in ConvertKit so that Kajabi can communicate with ConvertKit. So I'm going to create a new form here. And form, I'm going to do inline, the simplest one here. Doesn't really matter because I'm not sending anybody to this form. It's just a way for Kajabi and ConvertKit to interact. So we're going to call this customer-course-kick drum mastery. There we go. So I'm going to save this. And what I need here is this number. Okay, this is the form number that Kajabi is going to send people to after they purchase the product. So send the member to a third-party email provider. That's going to be ConvertKit. What is the form ID? I'm just going to paste that number right there. Cool. Okay, great. So someone purchases the product. They're on the website. Let's get the link over to the website. So I'm going to choose Get Link. And we'll come back over to the website, even though the checkout cart looks pretty weird right now. That's all right. So we're going to edit with Thrive Architect because that's what I use to build the pages. And we'll just scroll down to the bottom here, and we're just going to insert these links. So if I come over here, we're going to just put that guy right there. And Kick Drum Mastery, I'm going to link the image too because people will click on the image. And there we go. So I'm just going to save that. I'm going to save it one more time. Save and preview the page, and I'm just going to click on the Learn More and the Kick Drum Mastery image just to make sure they are directed to the right checkout cart. But of course, it's going to look really ugly. So we're going to fix this up. But both of them get linked, and we see that we can only have a credit card number. That means that PayPal is not an option there. So that is great. Okay. All right. So that's all hooked up. Next, what we need to do is edit the checkout. Before we do that, I'm going to command click on offers, and I'm just going to copy some text from a different checkout. So we'll click on the start to finish pause style, and what we need to do is edit the checkout. And I'm just going to click on this. And I'm going to click on the code on the left, and I'm going to copy all the code. So we'll hit OK. And I'm just going to close the page. There we go. Come back over here. Actually, I'm going to hit Shift-Command-T to reopen that page just to leave it open. All right, because if you close a tab in Chrome and you hit Shift-Command-T, it will reopen that closed tab. Okay, so we have the code copied. So let's go to Edit Checkout. And I'm just going to come up here, and I'm going to disable the banner. I don't need a banner. It's too fancy. And then we'll come in here, and I will click on the code icon. I will delete all this code, and I will paste the copied code. There. And we'll go ahead and hit save, and we will update the text here based on the product. So let's see. We have to do some copywriting here. We're going to make it really simple. Discover how to finish professional quality. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hop over to my website really quick and just check out some other copy that I have for this specific course. So this page that I'm coming to right now is a bundle course, and I should have some copy. So a kick can make or break your track. In 1 hour, you'll have all the tools you need to get your kicks to slam in the club. So yeah, let's just copy this and let's jump on over. I'm going to move this to the front here, just so I'm not searching through tabs. That's the most important tab right now. So a kick can make or break your track. So then we'll just add in the copy below here. So in just in 1 hour, you'll have all the tools you need to get your kicks to slam in the club. So we'll go ahead and save that. A kick can make or break your track. Maybe we'll make this all... Let's see, if that's too long, maybe I'll try to shorten things down. A kick can make or break your track. And in 1 hour, you'll have all the tools you need to get your kicks to slam in the clubs. I think that's going to do it for now. So what you'll get today. Okay, you know what? Maybe we'll just do you'll learn. Okay, save, and then we'll just copy those 3 things over. Kind of sad, but again, I just want to put this up in case someone is immediately interested and they want to get the course, just, you know, so they can improve their kicks. And I'll build out a little bit of a better sales page. Although this is a pretty low price product, so it doesn't need to be anything crazy, but let's go ahead and drop this copy right here. And so much more. Okay, and then what we'll do is just bold every other one here, just so it looks good. Okay, how does that look so far? You'll learn. Bam. 60-day money-back guarantee. Yep, so try Kick Drum Mastery. 100% risk-free for 60 days. If you don't like the course or you don't find it helpful, then email me within 60 days of your purchase for a refund email. And we don't have any testimonials for this because I've never sold this as an independent product. This has been a bonus that you get as a bundle. So one of the things I'll definitely do now is build out systems that will ask people for feedback on the course and what they think, because then I can start adding in the testimonials. And that just helps people make a buying decision, right? So if they see that other people, it has helped other people in a positive way. Can you help someone in a negative way? Anyway, if people see that it has helped people, then they can pull the trigger. But of course, the most important thing is that it's risk-free. So if they're not, if they don't like the course, then they can always get the refund within 60 days. But those testimonials will help make a buying decision. Cool. So I think that's all we really need to do there. Nothing fancy. And I'm thinking about adding bonuses to this and stuff, but this is not the time. We just want to get this up. And it's pretty much up. Now when someone comes over to this checkout page, this is exactly what they're going to see. So Kick Drum Mastery, just going to double check it before I get out of here. Kick and make or break your track. In 1 hour, you'll have all the tools you need to get your kick. You'll learn the parallel transient stuff, 60-day money-back guarantee. All right, I think that's it. Okay, cool. So let's come over to here. What else do we need to do? I guess another thing that we can do is add an upsell. And we're going to have to do some calculating here. Another thing we could do is send people to a assessment in Kajabi. Basically, that's going to be like a survey. And I found that if you send people to a survey after they purchase the course, it's almost 100% likely that they're going to fill the survey out. And that's extremely helpful, because then I can ask them, what are you looking to get out of the course? And so when I make updates to the course, I can make updates based specifically on what people want to get out of the course, because obviously I want my course to help as many people as I can, especially the people obviously who purchase it. So it's really important to get that feedback. So 2 things that we need to do. Let's just write this down because I'm getting kind of lost here. So we need to upsell, and we're going to upsell them to the production system, which is basically all the courses. And we need to do the upsell, and we need to do the survey. Okay, so, all right, what do we need to do? Okay, so upsell offer. What are we going to do? We need to create a new offer. So what we need to do is come over. We can get rid of this page now, and we'll create a new offer. I'm going to move Kajabi over here to the left again, and we'll create a new offer, and it's going to be let's see, Tech House Production. Actually, there's a better way to do this. What we'll do is we'll copy this one. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to clone this upsell offer, and we'll select this. Okay. All right, so now what we need to do is just change some of the names. So Secrets of the Groove, that's not the upsell. It's going to be Kick Drum Mastery. All right, and we'll get rid of that. Save. And the next thing we need to do is figure out how much this upsell is going to be. And so, okay, so the entire production system is $129. They're buying a $29 product, so this upsell is going to be $100. So Stripe only $100. So that will bring them to $120. And so we'll go to Edit Checkout. No, we won't. What we need to do is, I think this is it, actually. This is all we need to do here for now. Okay, so I'm going to leave this page open, though, just in case I need to fix it. What we need to do is come over here. Let's save and refresh And we're going to scroll down to upsell offer, and we're going to go to kick so we can, there we go. We need the kicks drum upsell. We'll turn it on. We'll hit save. Always saving. ABS. Always be saving. And it didn't turn it on, so we'll turn it on again and hit save again. And there it is. It is on. So now we will come back to this. Okay, this is why I'm doing this. And we need to come back to offers. And we're just going to copy. We're going to copy. Okay, so that's a different upsell. Probably a better upsell, actually, for that product. Okay, so actually, no, we want to come to, I'm going to copy the text from another upsell, basically, is what I'm trying to figure out what to do here. So if I click on this, here we go. This is what I want to copy. And I'll come over here, and we're going to edit the kick drum mastery upsell copy. So we're going to drop that text in there. Basically, this just shows all the courses that come with the upsell if they choose to buy it. So then what we'll do is come over, and here we'll go to title, and we're going to fix that in a little bit. One-time offer, 5 courses, 60-day guarantee as the subtitle here. And we'll go ahead and save this for now. We'll come back to it. This is going to redirect us back to the product page. And I just want to preview what that looks like right now. So 70, get the full production system and save that much. Yeah, pretty standard. Okay, so now we're just going to fix that up just a little bit more. What we need to do is figure out the percentage values here. So the total value of the whole package is $425. So they're paying $29. So $396. And so we need to do 100 divided by 396, because then this shows them how much they get off the total package. So they're going to get, yeah, over 70% off. Okay. Almost 75. So I don't want to lie and say you're getting 75% off, because they're not. They're getting 74 point something. So I'm going to say 70% off. So get the full Tech House production system and save that much money. So let's figure out how much they're going to save. So 425 minus 29 minus 100. So obviously just minus 129. So save $296. So we'll come over here and we'll do save $296. One-time offer. Upsell video, don't have one, but that would probably be the best way to go. But it looks like it's all set. Okay, so let's come over here and check off the upsell. And, okay, save. All right, so upsell is active. There we go. It's probably not the best upsell for this, right? They're buying a kick drum course, and then we're going to throw a full-blown bundle of courses. That's probably not the smartest way to go, but it's going to be there for now. Okay, and then so the next thing we need to do is we want to figure out what are they going to do after they purchase. And so we're going to send people to an assessment that we make. So let's come over to people. And what we need to do is, let's see, we need to come to assessments. And we're going to copy the welcome survey here. So let's come over here. We're going to hit clone. And welcome survey, we're going to do kick drum mastery survey. Awesome. We'll save that. And a quick 4-question survey to help me get to know you a little better. It will only take 2 minutes. That's fine. Awesome. I got your responses. Thanks for that. Click here to log in. So that's the page that they're going to see once they complete the survey. And let's just make sure that this... Are you kidding me? So let's go to zermellamusic.com, log in. There we go. Let's copy this link. I hope that that link is active for the other surveys. So URL, go like this. Now go watch some lessons and make some awesome music. Or make some awesome music. No. You want to make awesome music because you're watching the lessons. Okay, so click the button below to start. Looks good. The only thing I need to do is just double check the, you can see I'm compulsively hitting save. Double check the questions. So let's come into edit questions. And hey, I'm dying to know what made you join. It's a $29 product. That's kind of a big question there, but you know, this is what is your biggest challenge right now when it comes to production? Yeah, let's ask them that. That's a good one. Almost done. What are you hoping to get out of this course specifically? Better kicks, obviously. Last question. Can you describe your challenge, your production, your challenge, not your production? So I'm just thinking about adding a question, but for now, let's just keep it simple like this, and now's the time to let it all out. Okay, so we'll go back, kick drum mastery, survey, there we go, save, and then what we'll do is come to website, because we're going to need to create a landing page. So I'm going to come to pages here, and we'll just duplicate the, I guess we'll duplicate the drum survey, and we'll clone this, installing your theme now. All right. So waking up the hamsters. Okay. Drum survey. Let's come to assessment, and we will go to kick, and it will pop up the kick drum mastery survey. We'll save that. There we go. And then we just need to edit the details of this page. So back and back landing pages. And then when it comes to drum survey 1, we need to edit details. And this is going to be the kick drum mastery survey. And we'll just call this kick survey. Okay, save. That's just going to make it easier for me if I ever need to just link directly to it or something like that. Struggling drums, hide from search engines, struggling with kicks. You know, when someone jumps on the page, they'll this will be what shows up in the tab. So let's see. Okay, so we're done with the survey. Now what we'll do is come back to the products and offers. What we need to do now is come to kick drum mastery. So after someone purchases this, we need to send them to a landing page, and we need to find the kick drum mastery one. There we go. Kick drum mastery survey. Awesome. Okay. So I think we are just about done. Let's just check the whole path. So if someone is on the website, all right, let's refresh this. Come to the bottom. So kick drum mastery, we'll go like this. So they come here, they enter their information, Both of those look good, same page. Okay, so after they enter their information, what happens? Okay, so first thing is they get sent to ConvertKit to this form. Let's just double check that form. And so this is the kick drum mastery course form, and we have 305 as the last 3 digits, 305. So that checks out. Okay, so let's just save this. Okay, so 305, and then they're going to a landing page after they purchase. Well, actually, so when they make the purchase, then they get sent, their information gets sent to ConvertKit, but then they get shown the upsell. So let's just double check the upsell. And so 70% off, and save this much money, one-time offer, image, make additional purchase, no thanks, included courses, make additional purchase. Okay, so they either get it or they don't. And either way, they're going to be then redirected to the landing page, this one right here. And then they go through the survey, and once they complete the survey, they are then redirected to a page that says, hey, you completed the survey. You can log into your account here. But of course, they need the information to log in, but Kajabi should email them that information. Okay. Let's double check this. See, you can see struggling with kicks. The Kick Drum Mastery Survey, quick 4-question survey. Hit the button. There we go. Off to the races. Okay, so I think that's right. Okay, so kind of an interesting look behind the scenes, I hope. But, you know, here is just a little thing that people can purchase on the website. But there's all that stuff that goes in behind just this little box, right? And that was coordinating all the systems, really just 3 systems. We have WordPress, then we have Kajabi, and we have ConvertKit. They all need to talk to each other. We have upsells, we have surveys. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace.